Wow, what a beautiful autumn day! Can't wait to spend it working on a collaborative project with Megan. Let's go! Hello, Megan. It sure is nice that Brookens Library has these awesome Mio Tables for us to use. Let me show you how they work. To use the Mio Tables, all you need is a laptop and a video cable, like an HDMI cord. The library has this cable and others for checkout at the main desk. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the right port on the table. Plug the other end of the cable into the same port on your laptop. Turn your laptop on, and you should see your laptop screen reflected on the TV. Bam! You are now ready to collaborate with your group on that big project. The Mio Tables make it easy for everyone to see what you are working on. I'm so glad we get to use these tables. Now our project on the history of pickles will be so much easier to collaborate on.